This is easy, because electricity interfered with the character and team leader.
I'm sure Luigi will like it.
Let's go. Super Mario 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll just use my finger.
Alright, grease up my throats. Yeah.
Super cute adventures, Stripe.
Take me home, Daddy. Blast off. I'm the last person to throw the ball on Pingu's team.
And that's it, guys. Let's see the new Tastic Friends 7 the life wishes points do they get.
So the Life Wishers are up for elimination, and the new Tastic Friends won.
Ping, Robbie, USA, Serbia, and Japan are the ones in New Tastic who have won the game, and Ireland, Thomas, and Lightning Queen are the only life wishers that won the game too. Vote for any contestant except Ireland, Lightning Queen, and Thomas to be eliminated and to win the prize. The person with the most elimination votes will be eliminated and the most prize votes wins the prize.
And vote for Bowser Jr., Pom Pom, and Diddy Kong to hand out the prizes. Voting ends on Wednesday 10 p.m., so start voting now.